Alright guys, let's hop right into it. Another day trading recap video. So today is actually the fifth trading day for me. I didn't trade yesterday. I had a few things to do, but I'm closing up shop today, up $171, and after commissions, 131.30. So not too shabby, huh? 4 trades. Go ahead and mark that down here in my calendar. Didn't trade yesterday. An X right there. So ignore my giant coat that I have on. Really cold in this house, especially with that back window right here. Last month our energy bill was over $230. So to avoid that again, I'm just wearing my big coat inside the house. Let me just do that really quick so I can see the screens. Okay. Yeah, so closing the day, 171 after commissions, 130. Man, PTIE today just went ballistic. I mean, look at this. Opened up around, I would say, opened at about $5, and it's up far over 100%. You know, the high here is 12.23. Man, oh man. So I managed to capture a little bit of profit on that stock PTIE, and that's sort of what pushed me up over the 100s here. You know, and there are traders, I'm sure, who made, well, I know for a fact, there are traders who made tens and thousands of dollars on PTIE today. If not hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't doubt that, you know. But the thing is, I could have easily bought up here, right? When it was like around $10 or even $9, you know, because I got into this stock. We'll go over that in a second, but I got in here at this, where is it, right here? I think it was this first circuit breaker halt right here. I got in before the circuit breaker halt and ended up selling on the pop-up when it opened. And, you know, obviously when I sold, I could have held it. I should have held it, but should I have? You know, it's as a beginner trader, my focus really needs to be on just consistency. And me personally, my own personal goal is to focus on my accuracy, right? And so I want to maintain a really good accuracy with obviously a good profit loss ratio. So that's my focus primarily. But even before the P&L, the accuracy, that's my focus. So yeah, my voice is a little bit nasally. I've got some stuff going on inside my sinus. But anyways, like I said, I didn't give in to FOMO, and I'm fine with that. You know, there are traders last year who made, I'm sure, millions of dollars, not even thousands, not even tens of thousands, but millions on like HMNY. You know, there are traders years prior who made tens of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars on other stocks, right? During the dot-com era when the market was going crazy with all these tech stocks. People made millions of dollars. There are people who made thousands of dollars. And so I guess the point I'm trying to make is the opportunities are always going to be there. The market's always going to be here. And I think that early on in my trading career, I would like to instill into myself the right principles. And so those principles that allow a trader to last in the market for a lifetime, you know, and not blow up their account in one day or, you know, in a short period of time. And so those principles, things like, you know, maintaining good accuracy, right? Having a good profit loss ratio, not giving into FOMO, you know, only trading the best setups. I missed a really good setup here on PTIE. First 5-minute candle to make a new high. Well, it really would have been down here at around $7-ish. So you can see right here, PTIE halted going down, opening up lower. So the shorts are loving this right now. They're making a killing on that. Yeah, so this 5-minute setup right here would have been fantastic. Even if you didn't get in at the 5-minute candle to make a new high, you could have gotten in at the break of high of day, which would have been about 7:43, and that would have been fantastic still. You know, rode that up to this circuit breaker halt right here. Man, For traders who can hold throughout this entire move, I mean, kudos to them, you know. But that's just something that that's not a level of trading that I'm at right now. I don't feel comfortable doing that, and that's fine because as long as I can capture profit every single day, I'm doing something 9 out of 10 traders can't do, and that's make money in the market. And so, like I said, that's my goal. It's just to remain consistent, and for the years to come, I'll improve in other areas, you know, and eventually I will be one of those traders who are able to capture this entire move, you know, but right now that's just not where I'm at, and that's fine. That's okay. So anyways, you can see right here my trade log. Go down to my first trade down here. So of course I'll post my live trading video, so you'll be able to see that more in depth. You'll be able to see my trades exactly as they happened in the moment. So first trade out of the gate was LBCC, and you can see I traded that at, I need to get better at hiding my account number here. Not that there's much to steal, but you know. So LBCC traded at 9 seconds out of the gate. Let me go ahead and pull up that chart right here. So LBCC, which, if I'm not mistaken, LBCC actually changed their name. I think this used to be LTIE, perhaps, but now there's some cryptocurrency company, I don't know. So LBCC, my entry was at the break of the whole dollar right out of the gate, and so I could have gotten in. Well, you know, I couldn't have gotten in at pre-market highs because I was all the way up at 668. You could see we never got to that point. And so I was still able to capture a little bit of profit. I think it was like $20 or something on this trade right here. So I got in at the break of $6 for, you know, a small little scalp trade. This went to a high of 613. So I bought at 598, sold at 605. I think I managed to sell on the ask. So got out just in time. It dropped back down eventually, and then even went lower than that. So that was the first trade, break of the whole dollar. And my second trade was on, what is it? Okay, so I guess my second trade was on PTIE. Yeah, it was. This trade right here, though, PTIE, this one was at 932. So let me just see right here. 932. So I bought 500 shares at 664. I'm trying to figure out what the setup was. At the time I know what the setup is, but when I'm reviewing them, I have to remember. 664. Oh, I'm looking at, no, that's the right time frame, because that was right after LBCC. Sorry guys, you have to sit here and watch my trying to figure out what my setup was. Okay, so I think the setup for me, and I'll go back and review the actual trading video, and you'll get a better analysis on the live trading video, but it's not just me sitting here trying to figure out what I was doing. So 664, I believe it was the break of high of day, and so you can see that setup worked a little bit. You could have captured a little bit of profit if you were fast. I managed to capture just a little bit of profit, so got in 664, sold at 667, and that was that trade. So I don't know. Bought again at 678 just a few minutes later, and then sold at 686, so captured a little bit more profit on that one. Got back into PTI again. So I took 4 trades today. One was on LBCC, the rest of them were on PTIE, and you can see right here that PTIE looks like it's curling back up just a little bit, so traders capturing profit on that move right here, possibly, you know, if you're looking at the 5-minute, possibly break of the previous candle's high. So my last trade on PTIE was, like I said, let me just scroll back over here to when it happened. My last trade was right here. I got in before the halt, and it was one of those things where I couldn't quite find the right entry, and I told myself, you know, I can't give in to FOMO because I'll be that person that gets in at high of day right before it reverses. So I'll buy at the very top before it comes back down, and I'll lose all the profit I made for the day, and I'll be upset and telling myself I'm never doing that again. So I had to remain disciplined. That's another important trait that I think a successful trader must have, is just the discipline to not give in to FOMO, and the discipline to know when to stop, the discipline to know, to trust the setups. And so I couldn't apply that right here as it was popping up, you can see. And so I just ended up getting in right before the halt. I knew, this is a strong stock. If it halts, it's going to open up higher. And so I got in. Sure enough, you can see it opens up here higher, and I sold for some profit. So that's it for today, guys. I'll, look at these trades more in depth in my live trading video. So if you want to watch that, hop on over. Post them on this channel right here. So just look for the live trading playlist. You'll see all my videos there. And really about it, guys. So 5th trading day of the year for me. I'll be back at it tomorrow, 9:30. Hopefully we get some more great opportunities. Looks like the market's doing pretty good. You got lots of momentum going on, so I don't think it's going to be slowing down anytime soon. Hopefully not. And so tomorrow is Wednesday, and I'll look for some more great opportunities, and hopefully I can close the day green again so I can continue to build this account up. The further away I can get from $500, which is the Sure Trader minimum, the better, because I just can't get back to that point. I can't go backwards again, and if I do, it's fine. It's a part of the learning process. I know that eventually I will become a consistently profitable trader. So that's my focus right now, just to maintain on the consistency and the accuracy. I'm really surprised that PTIE is not on Sure Trader's restricted stock list. No, it's not. That's really weird. See a stock popping up right here, CPSH. I'm not going to trade it though. I'm already done for the day. So yeah, I'm surprised that it's not on Sure Trader's restricted stock. I mean, this is up. It's up well over 100%. I don't know. Somebody's slacking over there at Sure Trader, not doing their job. But great for me though, because I don't think I would have been able to capture the profit I did if it was restricted. So I'm happy with that. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow back here around the same time. Guys, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.